Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive 3.5, unlatch and remove the base cover from the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the hard drive assembly. Unlatch it. Disconnect the hard drive data cable and power cable. And disconnect optical drive cable. Lift the assembly out of the system. Unlatch the hard drive from the assembly and remove it. To reinstall the hard drive 3.5, place it back in the assembly and relatch it. Put the assembly in the system. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the assembly. Relatch the front bezel and base cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.